A to Z alphabets. A for apple. B for bat. C for car. D for drum. E for elephant. F for fruits. G for girl. H for house. I for ice. J for juice. K for key. L for light. M for moon. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wolf. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.